Hi friends, welcome to the class of DDLJ. Today we are starting with the questions of admission of partner from your government book. The theory part we have already discussed in the last sessions. So let's start with question number 1, page 108 from your government book. In this particular sessions, I will prefer to solve first of all the unsolved questions of your government book. Because solved questions के तो solutions आपके पास already book में हैं friends. And then I solve for you guys all the unsolved questions. And definitely from solved questions also, if there is something tricky, something different, that also I will be solving. So you know what happens, then you are absolutely at ease. And you can just relax, have dhamal and study in style. So we are into question number 1, page 108. Let us see what they say. That balance sheet of Rajkumar and Rajendra Kumar on 1st of April 2012 is set out to be below. They share profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. It's building, furniture stock, debtors, cash, profit and loss. On the liability side, capital of the old partners Rajkumar and Rajendra Kumar, general reserve and creditors. They agreed to admit Dheeraj Kumar on 1st of April 2012 on the following terms, that Dheeraj will bring 60,000 as capital and 45,000 as goodwill, which is to be retained in the business, and he will be entitled for 1/4 share of the profits. In short, my dear friends, the goodwill amount is brought in cash. So when the goodwill amount is brought in cash, don't forget, it is case number 1. There is extra amount of goodwill is brought in. The premium method it is. 50% of the general reserve is to remain for doubtful debts. You know pretty well what is general reserve. General reserve is nothing but undistributed profits. In a sense, if the question was silent, then this general reserve would have been distributed among the old partners in their old ratio, isn't it? Like now, what they say, 50% is to remain for RDD. इसका ये मतलब है, it is not a specific reserve. It's not a general reserve, it becomes a specific reserve. Because reserve for doubtful debts means reserve against debtors. So what you will do, friends, in short, there is a general reserve given of 1,20,000. बराबर ना, जरा check करो फिर से, come on. See the old balance sheet. कितना दिया उसने? 1,20,000. तो उसमें से ना 60,000 you will of course transfer it to the old partners capital account in the old ratio, and remaining 60,000, what you will do, you will cut that general reserve and make it as a reserve for doubtful debts. That you will see once I start the question. It's a good adjustment, at least from 12th standard viewpoint. But in CA and all, this is a regular adjustment. Furniture is depreciated by 5%. Stock is revalued at 65,000. Creditors of 5,000 are not likely to be claimed and hence should be written off. So I don't have to pay to the creditors. That's good. And rent of 2,000 due but not received has not been recorded in the book. Hey, come on, semi fast. Come on, Preeti, semi fast. Preeti, ball. Rahul, Preeti, Natasha, come on, fast. अभी तक मुझे रेंट नहीं मिला. टिल नाउ आई हैव नॉट येट रिसीव द रेंट. इज इट गुड के बैड? अगर पैसा नहीं मिला, गुड के बैड? कम ऑन, व्हाट? गुड के बैड? बैड? नो, इट इज गुड. सर कैसे गुड? माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आवर अकाउंटिंग इज ऑलवेज बेस्ड ऑन अक्रूवल बेसिस. इट्स नॉट ऑन कैश बेसिस. सो इफ यू हैव नॉट येट गिवन मनी, इट्स ओके मैन, आज नहीं तो कल मिल जाएगा. और अगर आज नहीं तो कल मिल जाएगा तो इट बिकम्स अ रिसीवेबल अमाउंट. इज दैट ओके? एंड इफ इट इज अ रिसीवेबल अकाउंट, रिसीवेबल अमाउंट और एन अकाउंट, इट्स गुड. इफ यू विल गेट इट ना, योर इनकम विल इंक्रीज. If it will increase, it's good. So it has to come on the revaluation account, credit side, and second effect will come in the asset. He is asking you officially pass the necessary journal entries in the books and prepare a balance sheet. But I will recommend you, please write there in the question. Please come on, everyone will write there in the question. Prepare journal entries हम करेंगे, और उसके साथ में we also preparing ledger accounts. Yeah. First question you are doing, so we will also prepare which accounts? The ledger account. So come on now, let us start. Journal भी उसने पूछा है. So what I'll do for journal, that I will do it in workings. लेकिन उसके पहले let me start with my working notes. Working note first. Don't you remember in the theory I have said you what are our 3 steps when you do in 12th standard this chapter? Road traffic assistance. What is road traffic assistance? RTA. Sir, what is RTA? It is ratios. It is transfers. And then of course it is all the adjustments. I repeat, it is ratios. It is transfers and it is all the adjustments. चलो शुरू करते हैं. I hope you have done all your rulings etc. And I start with working note first. R. R means calculation of ratios. I've got Rajkumar, I've got Rajendra Kumar, and I've got Dheeraj Kumar, 3 partners. And I need to find out what OR, NR and SR. Old ratio, new ratio, and of course the sacrificing ratio. We start. What is the scene of old ratio? They have given me clearly the old ratio is 2:1. तो ये साइड में ऐसा लिख दिया. That is 2/3 and 1/3. Dheeraj has to do nothing with the old ratio. Then they are saying you for the new ratio, nothing else is given. बस सिर्फ उसने ये बोला that this guy Dheeraj will be entitled for 1/4 share in the profit. So in short, then how will I go about, sir? We start. Okay, 1 minus 1/4, 3/4 is the balance left, and then this balance left will be multiplied by old ratio. So let's find out for Rajkumar. It will be 3/4 into 2/3. That will be 6/12. Then I am with Rajendra. Rajendra's will also be 3/4 into 1/3. That is 3/12. And then of course Dheeraj, his share was 1/4. And if it is 1/4, let's make this also 12. So multiply the up and down figure by 3. So sir, I will get how much? 3/12. That's your standard way of doing the वहीं रखना. That's your standard way of doing the ratios. That is 1 is total. उसमें से 1/4 अगर हमने इनकमिंग पार्टनर को दिया तो बाकियों के लिए 3/4 बचा. This 3/4 is multiplied by the old ratio, so we get the new ratio of the old partners. And as for incoming partner is concerned, उसका जो 1/4 है बस उसको डिनोमिनेटर को सेम कर दिया. So इसके लिए multiply the up and down figure by 3. So I get 6/12, 3/12 and 3/12. So 6:3:3. That is nothing but the new ratio. 6:3:3. And then here only I can further simplify into 2:1:1. 3 2s are and 3 1s are each. मतलब सिंप्लीफिकेशन के चक्कर में हम नहीं यहाँ पर भी कर सकते थे, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, और यहाँ पर भी कर सकते, नहीं करेंगे तो भी चलेगा, बिकॉज 6:3:3 यू से और 2:1:1 you say is one and the same thing. And now you can see our trick, the shortcut what I have given you. What is the old ratio between them? 2:1. What is the new ratio between the old partners Raj and Rajendra? Again 2:1. So this is 2:1, this is 2:1, बस खत्म, कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है. तो फिर sacrifice ratio will also be what? 2:1. So that is all relating to RTA में से R का काम खत्म. That is nothing but ratios. Camera significant there. Okay friends, I'll just rub this part because I have to pass the entries too. And what we are doing in our working note the entries. Acha, if in exam this question comes, if they are asking you entries, then these entries will not be your working, it will be your main answer. And then you need to do all these accounts and all. Then फिर entry आप करेंगे और balance sheet करेंगे जो उसने आपको पूछा. I start. What is my step number second? It is nothing but transfer. Sir, किसको कहाँ transfer करना है? You can come. किसको कहाँ transfer करना है? Whatever is given in the old balance sheet, we have to transfer in one of the things prepared. So I start with capital. So my balance brought down. 2 lakh and 1 lakh 50,000. Then I have got general reserve. But as we discussed, the general reserve, what we will be transferring over here among the old partners, it will not be 100%, it will be just 50%. Because 50% is to be transferred as an RDD. So how I go about with 50%? The total general reserve is given to me 1,20,000. तो 1,20,000 का जो half है ना बस सिर्फ वही आएगा. So 1,20,000 into 50%. So I'm just giving the details. So 60,000 will be distributed in the old ratio. And sir, how much is the old ratio? Of course, there is 2:1. So 60,000 into 2:1 will be how much, sir? Will be definitely 40,000 and 20,000. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2:1. So 40,000 and 20,000. And sir, what about the remaining 50%? उस आपको क्लियरली बोला था रिमेनिंग 50% इज टू बी ट्रांसफर्ड और ट्रीटेड एज एन आरडीडी. सो वो जब मैं एंट्री करूंगा उसमें करता हूं. सो कम टू द फर्स्ट एंट्री विल बी जनरल रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट टू आरडीडी अकाउंट. एंड हाउ विल आई गेट दैट अमाउंट अगेन? 1,20,000 minus 60,000. That is that remaining 50% which has gone there. So that this figure will definitely become how much, sir? 60,000. For general reserve account debit to RDD account, it will be how much, sir? 60,000. और इसकी अगर हमें नरेशन लिखनी है तो क्या लिखेंगे? Being 50% of the general reserve treated as RDD. Being, sir, what? 50% of the general reserve treated as what? Treated as RDD. Sir, okay friends, I repeat once again. अगर ये इसने क्वेश्चन में RDD की एडजस्टमेंट नहीं दी होती relating to general reserve, then the full general reserve would have been transferred where capital account credits है, old partners capital credits है. और अगर आरडीडी होता तो आरडीडी का इट वुड हैव नॉट बीन जनरल रिजर्व टू आरडीडी. इट वुड हैव बीन व्हाट? इट वुड हैव बीन रीवैल्यूएशन या पीएनएल एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू आरडीडी. दैट एंट्री वुड हैव पास. बट यहां पर जनरल रिजर्व. व्हाट इज जनरल रिजर्व? इट इज अ रिजर्व क्रिएटेड जनरल like blocking the profits. What he says कि it should not be general, it should be specific relating to RDD. So the general reserve is converted into reserve for doubtful debts. But how much extent? Only 50%. Come back. अभी मुझे इसका इफेक्ट भी देना है तो जनरल रिजर्व इज तो गॉन, बट आरडीडी का मैं इफेक्ट दूंगा ना फ्रेंड्स. हाउ विल आई गिव द इफेक्ट ऑफ आरडीडी? आई हैव टू रिड्यूस फ्रॉम डेटर्स. बट दैट आई विल नॉट डू इट इमीडिएटली. आई विल नेवर स्किप माय स्टेप्स. तो जब मैं अपना डेटर्स ट्रांसफर करूंगा, व्हेन आई विल कम टू माय स्टेप ऑफ सॉल्व द एडजस्टमेंट्स, at that time, like we will do the posting. So right now you just put a dot to that word of RDD. Come back. So capital I have transferred, reserves I have transferred up to 50%, remaining 50% RDD में transfer किया. I can also see one profit and loss account of 30,000. So that is a loss. So losses has to go where? It has to go among the old partners, old ratio, in the ratio of 2:1. That is the old ratio. 30,000 in 2:1 will be 20,000 and 10,000. It will be how much, sir? It will be of course 20,000 and 10,000. और उसके बाद अच्छा, now don't forget इसकी भी एंट्री करनी पड़ेगी. You have to be very careful, friends. You're in 12th standard. What are the entries? See, when you transfer the opening balances, there are no entries. But general reserve you transfer, you pass an entry. Why? Because that general reserve is not distributed. Similarly, this profit and loss account, it was a loss, man. So it was a loss. So now it is distributed among old partners. तो उसकी entry pass करनी पड़ेगी ना, क्योंकि उसने पूछा है आपको. So entry will be what? It will be old partners capital debit. That will be Rajkumar's capital account debit. Then Rajinder Kumar's capital account debit to profit and loss account. Rajkumar's capital debit, Rajinder Kumar's capital debit to profit and loss account. And how much is the amount? Profit and loss account is 30,000. This is of course 20,000 and 10,000. This goes in the ratio of 2:1. This goes in what ratio? In the ratio of 2:1. And write the narration being what? Profit and loss distributed among old partners. Being what? Profit and loss distributed among the old partners. और एक आपको ट्रिक देता हूं, और whichever chapter you are doing, वो चैप्टर का नाम आगे लिख देने का. Whichever chapter you are doing, वो चैप्टर का आगे नाम लिख देने का. Whenever narrations are written, like being profit and loss distributed among old partners. But now the question comes that why you have distributed profit and loss? Why? Because there is admission of partner. तो बस उसके आगे एक वर्ड लिख दे तो it is better. It is on admission. So this becomes a very polished answer. On what? On admission. Come back. And now let us transfer all the remaining items. So I am into buildings. All will be transferred in the inner column, leaving one line. Say 1 lakh. Then we'll have furniture. Say 30,000. We'll have stock. Say 60,000. We will have debtors. 3 lakhs. We have cash. Cash will go to the cash bank account. To balance brought down at 30,000. P&L we have transferred. On the liability side, capital we have transferred. Reserves we have transferred. And then creditors. Leave 5-6 lines as I have directed you before. And creditors 80,000. Leave that line. And did you notice one thing? See, everyone, whosoever are sitting here as well as watching us on CD or pen drive or whatever, we pass entry only for the reserves and the losses in the step of transfer. I did not pass entry for cash transfer. I did not pass entry for maybe opening capital transfer. I did not pass entry for this assets and liability transfer. Why? Why I did not transfer? Come on, Rohan, you say me fast. क्यों नहीं transfer किया हमने? Come बेटा बोलो. क्यों? These are the opening balances what you are transferring now. In the sense like, opening as on the date of admission. So when it is on the date of admission, तो ये तो सब अभी आपके balances brought down हो चुके. And now you will start like passing the entries while solving the adjustments. So R is done, T is done, and I am into A. And sir, what is A? Solve the adjustments. Zara dekhe to what they say. Quick now. Dheeraj will bring 60,000 as his capital. अच्छा एक काम करते हैं. Immediately before that also, let us do this entry. ये dot जो पड़ा हुआ है, तो एक काम आपका खत्म हो जाएगा. तो बस ये RDD का आपको effect देना है. How will you give the effect of RDD? You will of course minus it from the figure of debtor. So less debt RDD. 60,000. So that outer column you get how much? 2,40,000. Outer column you got how much, sir? 2,40,000. And put a tick mark to this RDD. इसका काम हमने खत्म कर लिया. It's always better to give फटाफट effects whenever such dotted items or special items are there. Come back. अच्छा sir, what about second effect? Second effect I've already given, friends. Sir, how you have given? Prove it. देखना, general reserve total was given 120. 120 में से 60 is distributed here and 60 is distributed here. मतलब it is transferred to RDD. So eventually हो गया ना 1,20,000. In fact हम एक काम कर सकते हैं, वो जो remaining 60,000 है उसकी भी हम एक एंट्री पास कर लेंगे. Sir, it will be what entry? It will be general reserve account debit to old partners capital account. That is to Rajkumar's capital and to Rajendra's capital account. 60,000 is there, and this will be how much? It was of course 40,000 and 20,000. मतलब 160,000 has gone to the RDD and another 60,000 has gone to the old partners capital account. इसकी भी नरेशन लिख देते हैं. Being what? Being 50% of general reserve distributed to old partners. Of course, in which ratio? In the old ratio. Being 50% of the general reserve distributed among the old partners in their old ratio. तो एंट्रीज क्योंकि पूछिए, इसके लिए I have to do all these things. And now I start. Okay, Dheeraj will bring 60,000 as his capital. So let's start. Number 4th entry is coming. Dheeraj is bringing as his capital. The what entry you will pass? Come on, friends. Cash bank account debit to Dheeraj's capital account. कितना पैसा लेकर आया धीरज? धीरज has brought in 60,000. What narration we are writing, sir? Being capital contributed by Dheeraj on his admission. Being what? Capital contributed by Dheeraj on his admission. And now we do the posting. Camera here. So cash bank account debit to Dheeraj's capital. Sir, how much it is? 60,000. Cash bank account debit किया और धीरज के क्रेडिट साइड पर बाय कैश बैंक 60,000. By cash bank account 60,000. Then what? And he is also bringing in 45,000 as goodwill, which is to be retained. मतलब goodwill को withdraw नहीं किया है, it is just retained in the business. So number 5 entry में दो पार्ट हो जाएंगे. A will be cash bank account debit to goodwill account, and B will be goodwill account debit to old partners capital account, that is to Rajkumar's capital account and to Rajendra Kumar's capital account. Cash bank to goodwill and goodwill to old partners. Of course, this will be in which ratio, sir? It has to be in their sacrifice ratio. So cash bank to goodwill is how much? कितना लेकर आया वो goodwill के लिए? 45,000. और फिर ये जो 45,000 है, it will be distributed among these two guys in what ratio? Just so as I said you, in the sacrifice ratio. And how much is the sacrifice ratio? Of course it is 2:1. So 45,000 in 2:1 is 30,000 and 15,000. It is how much? 30,000 and 15,000. नरेशंस लिखना जरूरी है एक्चुअल में. सो फिफ्थ ए की नरेशन क्या लिखी है आपने? बीइंग गुडविल अमाउंट ब्रॉट इन, बीइंग गुडविल अमाउंट ब्रॉट इन कॉमा ऑन एडमिशन. मतलब why anyone will bring for goodwill, friends? Only when there is some significant event taken place, and that event is what? It is nothing but admission. So being goodwill brought in on admission. और यहां पर आप क्या एंट्री पर अपना नरेशन क्या लिखेंगे? बीइंग व्हाट? बीइंग गुडविल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड among old partners, in which ratio? Of course, in the sacrifice ratio. Being goodwill distributed among the old partners, वही रखना, among the old partners, sir, in which ratio? In the sacrifice ratio. उसने क्लियरली बोला that it is retained in the business. अगर retained नहीं होता तो फिर एक और एंट्री भी होता. वो एंट्री क्या होता? ये वाली एंट्री घूम जाती. दैट इज ओल्ड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश बैंक. आई एक्सप्लेन यू एवरीथिंग इन थियरी, बट यहां पर इट इज रिटेन जस्ट टू एंट्रीज, कैश टू गुडविल एंड गुडविल टू ओल्ड पार्टनर्स इन देयर सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो. एंड एज आई एक्सप्लेन यू इन द थियरी पार्ट, इफ यू रिमेंबर फ्रेंड्स, एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग द नेट इफेक्ट ऑफ दिस is what? See, goodwill debit and goodwill credit, these two get cancelled. So when it gets cancelled, तो net entry क्या हुआ आपका? Cash bank account debit to old partners capital account in the sacrifice ratio. इसका आपको कोड वर्ड याद है कि नहीं? क्या दिया था? CG को sack. What did I say to you? CG go sack. Sir, what is CG go sack? If you want, I'll just write it here so that you remember it. CG go sack. Sir, what is CG go sack? Cash to goodwill and goodwill to old partners, and sack means what ratio? Of course, in the sacrifice ratio. So that is nothing but something relating to your goodwill adjustment. चलो पोस्टिंग करेंगे इसका. कैमरा हियर. So cash bank account debit to goodwill account 45,000. And goodwill account also we have prepared. So on the credit side, by cash bank account 45,000. So cash bank to goodwill 45,000. फिर goodwill account debit to Rajkumar's capital 30,000 and to Rajendra Kumar's capital 15,000. And here on the credit side, by goodwill account 30,000 and 15,000. तो इस चक्कर में क्या हुआ? आपका गुडविल एडजस्टमेंट की पोस्टिंग भी हो गई. जस्ट लेट्स अस कंफर्म इट. कैमरा हियर. कैश डेबिट गुडविल क्रेडिट 45,000. फिर गुडविल डेबिट 30 and 15,000 and old partners credit. Old partners credit in what ratio? Of course, in their sacrifice ratio. So that is your goodwill adjustment done. Come back. Then what he has said. Then he is saying you, this guy is getting 1/4 share. That's fine. Ratio का काम किया. 50% general reserve, उसका काम हमने कर लिया. Furniture is depreciated by 5%. तो ये फर्नीचर इज डेप्रिशिएटेड बाय 5%. दैट्स बैड यार. फर्नीचर की वैल्यू कम हो रही, दैट्स बैड. और जब भी बैड होता है गुड होता है तो आपको पता है, जब बैड होएगा तो रिवैल्यूएशन डेबिट, और जब गुड होएगा तो रिवैल्यूएशन क्रेडिट. और रिवैल्यूएशन का सेपरेट नेम इज व्हाट? ऑफ कोर्स इट इज नथिंग बट प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट. सो पास द एंट्री फॉर दैट. नंबर 6, इट्स बैड. So it's revaluation account debit to furniture account. Revaluation account debit. What's a furniture account? How much percent? Yes, sir. Just check it. He's saying me 5%. Camera here. See how much is furniture, friends? That is 30,000. So 30,000 का 10% is 3,000. 5% उसका आधा हो जाएगा. That is 1,500. 1,500. What narration we will write, sir? Right there. Being what? being furniture depreciated. I'm dictating, please. Being what? Being furniture depreciated. Of course, on admission. Because why you are changing? As a kham change nahi kar rahe. You are changing because there is admission of partner, or maybe retirement, or maybe death, whatever is the case. चलो पोस्टिंग करेंगे रिवैल्यूएशन के डेबिट साइड पर टू फर्नीचर अकाउंट. Sir, how much is the amount? 1500. And second effect, we will reduce from furniture, so less depreciation of 1500. So that outer column I get how much, sir? 28,500. Outer column I get how much, sir? 28,500. Come back. Stock is revalued at 65,000 and creditors of 5,000 are not likely to be claimed and hence should be written off. And rent of 2,000 due but not received has not been recorded in the books. I purposely read all the three together. You know why? Because all the three are good things. See ना, देख ओल्ड स्टॉक उसने कितना दिया फ्रेंड? 60,000. जस्ट चेक देखो यहाँ पर भी अपने पास कैमरा यार 60. और अभी वो क्या बोलता है? इट शुड बी 65,000, मतलब ऊपर गया. और जो लायबिलिटी क्रेडिटर्स है, यू डोंट हैव टू पे टू देम. आपको आपकी लायबिलिटी को नहीं देना तो गुड ना, तो अगेन इट विल बी रिवैल्यूएशन क्रेडिट. एंड सिमिलरली देयर इज अ रेंट व्हिच इज नॉट येट रिसीव, यू विल रिसीव इट इन फ्यूचर, अगेन दैट इज गुड. मतलब इन ऑल दिस थ्री यू कैन जस्ट पास वन कंबाइंड एंट्री, because in all the three cases it is a good thing. And whenever it is a good thing, it is revaluation account credit. So I'll pass the seventh entry over here. I'll just rub this part. तो सेवेंथ, एट, नाइन्थ तीन एंट्री की जगह एक ही एंट्री कर सकते हैं. ऑफिशियली यू कैन डू इट इन एग्जाम ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. सो इट विल बी व्हाट? इट विल बी स्टॉक अकाउंट डेबिट. Then it is nothing but creditors account debit. Then it is nothing but rent receivable account debit to revaluation account. Or you can also say what? To profit and loss adjustment account. Stock from 60,000 is becoming 65,000. The stock has gone up by 5,000. Creditors, how much is written off? It is 5,000. And the rent receivable is how much, sir? It is 2,000. So like this, stock, creditors and rent receivable total मिला के how much it is good by 12,000. And write the narration, एक common narration लिख सकते हैं. Being assets and liabilities revalued on admission. Being what, sir? Assets and liabilities revalued on admission. Being assets and liabilities revalued on admission. And we do the posting. चलो शुरू करेंगे. स्टॉक डेबिट, तो स्टॉक को ऐड कर देंगे. सो प्लस एप्रिसिएशन 5,000. So that outer column you get how much, sir? 65,000. याद रखना, स्टॉक जब ऊपर जाता है तो इट इज एप्रिसिएशन, लेकिन अगर नीचे जाता ना तो इट वुड हैव नॉट बीन एप्रिसिएशन एंड सॉरी इट वुड नॉट बीन डेप्रिसिएशन, सॉरी इट वुड हैव बीन लेस रिटन ऑफ, बिकॉज स्टॉक इज नॉट अ फिक्स्ड एसेट व्हिच इज डेप्रिशिएटेड. तो जब स्टॉक कम होता है तो वो राइट ऑफ होता है, लेकिन जब ऊपर होता है व्हेन इट इज इंक्रीज्ड you can write the word appreciation. It is absolutely permissible. Stock debit I have done. Then creditors are debited. Mother creditors you will reduce from here. So less return off. How much? 5,000. So that now the creditors are how much, sir? 75,000. And then rent receivable is also debited. So मतलब आज नहीं तो कल वो आपको rent मिल जाएगा. And if you will receive that rent, तो definitely it is your asset. So rent receivable also debit by how much, sir? 2,000. And revaluation will be credited. So buy stock 5,000. Buy creditors 5,000. by rent receivable 2000. Is that okay, friends? Everyone clear with everyone how to do the question? This is one of the very good questions. I mean, in CA level also such questions come. So be extra careful, friends. Now 12th standard is no more the Lallu Banju class. So very dynamic class. Superb chapters have come. Good questions have come. So if you have to get full marks or something, lot of practice, some shortcuts, some techniques, so that so many things are there, so you should not forget something in exam. So be careful in that. I believe all the adjustments are of course done. So out of RTA, A is also completed, and now I have to do the closing of accounts. Let's start closing your, first of all, revaluation account. I can see credit is more, so total is 12,000. Same, I write it on debit and I get a difference of 10,500. So it is a revaluation profit. Sir, why it is revaluation profit? Because credit is more. It has to be a revaluation profit, and this 10,500 has to be distributed among whom? Among the old partners in their old ratio, and that is what 2:1. I repeat once again, so the 10,500 will be 2/3 and 1/3. So that will be 7,000 and 3,500, because it has to go only among old partners. So Rajkumar 2/3 and Rajendra Kumar 1/3. So it will be 7,000 and 3,500. It will be 7,000 and 3,500. And don't forget, यहाँ पर debit, तो इधर आ जाएगा credit पर. My revaluation in the bracket profit, it is 7,000 and 3,500. It is 7,000 and it is 3,500. And one more thing, when entries are asked, तो इसकी भी आपको entry pass करने की पड़ेगी. Yes. And what entry will pass? Yeah, revaluation account, debit to old partners, capital account in their old ratio. So pass the entry number 8. It will be revaluation account, debit to old partners, capital account. That is to Rajkumar's capital account and to Rajendra Kumar's capital account. This will be total amount is 10,500 and it will be 7,000 and 3,500. Sir, what narration we will write regular being revaluation profit distributed among old partners in the old ratio. Being what? Revaluation profit distributed among the old partners in their old ratio. Got it? Superb. Posting तो हमने खैर पहले ही कर दिया. You can check it over here. Come here, camera here. Revaluation debit it has come. Old partners credit also it has come. Let us do the closing of partners capital account. It's 24 and 30 is 54 and 7 is 61,000. In fact, this is 2 lakh, sorry. 77. It will be 2,77,000. Come on the Rajendra's column 170, 185.